The biggest launch of the year is round the corner. Yes, we are talking about yet another Mahindra's introduction on the occasion of India's Independence Day. The Mahindra Thar ROXX, which is basically the 5-door version of the iconic Mahindra Thar 3-door lifestyle SUV, will make its debut on the 15th of August. Let us also remind you that the Mahindra Thar 3-door was originally launched a couple of years back on this same very day. Hello and welcome to Car Lelo. Today in this video, we will be talking about all key aspects of the upcoming Mahindra Thar ROXX. The Thar ROXX will come as a more practical offering compared to the 3-door model, which lacks rear doors, flat bench in second row, boot space and modern features. Once launched, it will directly rival the like of the Force Gurkha 5-door and the Maruti Suzuki Jimny, which has had a mixed reaction from Indian customers. The SUV could also come as an alternative to the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, and others in the mid-sized SUV category. In comparison to the Mahindra Thar 3-door, it will offer a bigger wheelbase, while its length will also increase to make space for rear occupants with added luggage carrying capacity. A departure from what we are used to seeing in relation to the exterior design elements. Thar ROXX will provide an aggressive front fascia with a new multi-slat front grille, circular LED DRLs, circular fog lights and projector headlamps. Further, it will have fender-mounted ORVMs, black colored front door handles and body colored rear door handles. The SUV will also offer dual tone alloy wheels, square LED tail lights and a front camera. This Thar is longer for hardcore off-roaders, but it targets the family buyers looking to drive home a car that offers comfortable cabin for 4 to 5 adults, comfort and convenience features and a premium feel. Thanks to a fixed roof, the Thar ROXX comes with panoramic sunroof. It has a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment unit with wireless connectivity, a 10.25-inch digital driver's display, armrests for both driver and front passenger, automatic AC with rear AC vents, leatherite seats, rear center armrests and many more. Plus, it also has a dash cam with front and rear monitoring functions. As a reminder, the Scorpio N has smaller touchscreen and digital driver's display. The new Thar ROXX comes with a wide range of safety and security features, including a 360-degree surround view camera, 6 airbags, front and rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD and ESC. It also comes with Level 2 ADAS tech, which is similar to the one offered in the Mahindra XUV700. In fact, this tech is not available in the Mahindra Scorpio N. The ADAS features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, among others. The Thar ROXX lifestyle SUV is based on the most sophisticated 3G platform which debuted in the Mahindra Scorpio N. This ladder frame chassis is modified for the ROXX and is around 4 kg lighter. Another addition is an independent front suspension setup with dual wishbones and a multi-link rear setup with Watts linkage. Similar to the Scorpio N, the lifestyle SUV gets frequency-dependent damping technology that further improves the ride quality. The Thar ROXX will come with 2 engine options, a 2.2-liter turbo diesel and a 2-liter turbo petrol. These powertrains are tuned to offer more power compared to the ones available on the 3-door model. The turbo diesel offers 2 states of tunes, 150 bhp/350 Nm and 172 bhp/370 Nm, while the petrol unit is tuned to produce 160 bhp/330 Nm and 175 bhp/380 Nm. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearboxes. It will have Mahindra's Xplore off-road setup, which is available in the Scorpio N. This system has an electronic brake locking differential, better known as EBLD, and an electronic locking differential ELD. There is a traditional lever to switch between 2 high, 4 high and 4 low modes, while multiple terrain modes will also be on offer. Its approach angle stands at 41.3 degrees, ramp over angle 23.6 degrees, departure angle at 36.1 degrees, and has a water wading capacity of 650 mm. Some interesting features are also available, such as Crawl Smart Assist and Intelli Turn Assist. Crawl Smart Assist, this feature will come with automatic version. It allows customers to set the speed between 2.5 km per hour and 30 km per hour during off-road driving. Once set, the vehicle will automatically drive through terrain at the set speed without any driver input. Whereas the Intelli Turn Assist, this feature locks the rear inner wheel depending on the steering direction, which in return offers a tighter turning radius. However, this feature operates at speeds under 15 kmph and activates only for 15 seconds at a single time. The driver needs to disengage the ELD to use this Intelli Turn Assist feature. Expected price? Well, we anticipate it to be in the range of Rs 13.5 lakh to Rs 20 lakhs ex-showroom when launched. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. नई कार हम है ना यार.